What the heck? Get up, ugh. You know what? I will say this, girl.
What? I am too sleepy. You am. The door is going to hit me. OHNVM. Who are you?
Willow.
Who is
Loy.
all?
Remember me. Beat.
Susie?
Flash.
Get your butt over here now, or I will literally leave you alone.
Hello.
Did I ask for you to bring me?
Uh-huh.
Did I tell you when? I was sleeping. Did I ask for your approval? Do you think I care? Go get a boyfriend. Shut up! Not again. How dare you? I am coming. You're what you're doing. Huh? It was yesterday from the Lord. He was doing the right and busy coming up and said she wanted to keep the house. How did I know? I thought you were going to the house. Yay? Like what? The actual freak. Let's go. Yay? Like why are you so ugly? Why you speak naked stuff? I mean, why?
Oh, my apologies.
And me too.
Girls get them.
Ghetto FFUS.
Get off her.
Why should we howl?
Yay, tell us nobody can stop y'all.
I can but I don't want to.
You're sick in your homemade dirty clothes and your stupid little brain.
I am not stupid, you're used to GLY.
You can't be speaking right here with your crusty musty DRTY dangled hair and your raggedy clothes.
Your elephant is so fat that makes me want you to go crash your car.
I am fat. Now go look in the mirror with your fat self.
Do you know how easy it can make your life go?
Was that a threat?
Yes, it was. What you going to do?
You can't do everything to us. You're not strong and too fat that you can't even walk.
Girls get them done now.
You're mean. Ow.
Ow.
Mohaha.
Hey.
Ugly voices.
Bye beaches.
Bye ugly.
I get them.
Yes, queen.
Yes, baddie queen.
What you doing? Go get them. Useless minions, cara triste blanca.
Run.
We
We
got
got
you
you
now.
now.
Greater than.
This is the end of y'all. Bye bye now GLY horse.
You're a real liar to you because we are not a horse.
GRRR.
You're lost while your friend is lost to a ha 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 ha.
Oh no, this is no god.
You're here with me now, mwaha.
Shut up, B.
I am sleeping. I am going to sleep.
Runaway music. I hope she don't get to me. Dig, that's far. Still running. No stop. And we are cooked.
You're mine now, Moahaha.
And the end.
Shut up.
Shut up.